सो आई वॉज डूइंग द रेगुलर एनर्जी चेक इन और अभी मेरी चेक इन में ये एनर्जी आई है. दिस एनर्जी इज़ एनर्जी फॉर समवन हु इज़ लॉस्ट इन देयर थाट्स. दे आर, क्योंकि हैंगमैन रिवर्स है एंड द नाइट ऑफ वॉन्ड्स आर रिवर्स, तो मे बी दे आर स्टक इन सम वे. दे आर प्लानिंग नॉट टू मूव ऑन right now soon, but I think they are hoping for some guidance, so I am going to take a further guidance on this. ये किस बारे में है जो आप सोच रहे हो? मे बी यू आर थिंकिंग अबाउट समथिंग मटेरियलिस्टिक, बट इट इज़ ऑल इन माइंड. ठीक है, तो वो माइंड में क्या है? मे बी वी कैन कम अप टू द न्यू सोल्यूशन समथिंग. लेट्स सी व्हाट दे आर थिंकिंग अबाउट, व्हाट देयर गाइडेंस इज फॉर. Wow. Okay, so some of you are in energy of looking at the past. As I said, I had a message pop up on my phone, and again, so this is new. So I think you are thinking of the past, someone who has betrayed you, but now the energy of someone else of betraying you is more like you are thinking about in a positive way. You are thinking that whatever they have done or whatever they have done else, like जो भी उन्होंने और कुछ किया है वो चीज़ के बारे में आप ज़्यादा सोच रहे हो. जो भी चीज़ पहले हो चुकी है, नाउ आई थिंक यू वर इन अ काइंड ऑफ अ सिचुएशन जहाँ पे आप लोग पहले वेट कर रहे थे, बट नाउ द सिचुएशन इज कमिंग एज इफ दैट यू आर गोइंग टू एक्ट अपॉन इट, बट यू आर थिंकिंग टू मच अबाउट इट. इट फील्स लाइक दैट you have been waiting for their messages or something like this, but it feels like that now the wait is over, there is no hope. You are thinking of somewhat, I think, moving on, but then you again come back to the same thing. So this is a lot of past energy I can feel. Maybe you had some great time because the sun and Hierophant is coming. So let's see what it is about. This is the Romance Angel deck. Let's see. This is the shuffling for you. Okay. So close your eyes and think of someone if you are thinking about someone, and I'll pull some cards for you, but the energy you are in is like, should I wait? Should I not wait for his text? Wow. So I got 2 messages. Okay. Oh my god. You can see. So first card I'll show you. So let go of the control issues. So I think you are trying to control the situation more because it is written here, allow the situation to unfold naturally, because I think you are trying to control the situation more than you can. And here it is, healing family issues. You can see it is written as healing family issue. Your love life benefit as you forgive your parents. And then soulmate card is there. Yes, this is your soulmate. So I think something has happened in between you two because of the family. Maybe this person can be the head of the family because Hierophant is here and the sun is also here. Sun also represents the head of the family. Sun also represents someone who dominates within the family. So I think there is someone you like and they also like you, but there is something happening like because of family. Maybe they are not ready for your support. So let me pull more cards about it. So is it about family? If it is about family, what should they do? What is the guidance for them? Okay, definitely about some male. Wow, this is a very diverse card. So King of Pentacle is upright, but Queen of Pentacle is reversed, and in the middle there is Ace of Cups. Amazing. तो मैं कभी भी किंग ऑफ पेंटिकल्स को जब देखती हूँ तो मैं ऐसे देखती हूँ कि शायद देयर इज़ समवन इन द फैमिली, मेल डोमिनेटिंग फैमिली में कोई हो सकता है, कोई भी दादा नाना या पापा हो सकता है जिसकी तबीयत ख़राब है, they are going through some phase. And Queen of Pentacle reverse ये बताता है that there is a feminine energy person जो कि इस situation से थोड़ा सा upset है. Maybe they thought the other person might think कि वो उनका support करेंगे, वो उनके लिए सोचेंगे समझेंगे. राइट नाउ इस सिचुएशन के लिए गाइडेंस ये आ रही है कि अगर ऐसा कुछ है, उनकी फैमिली में कोई दिक्कत है या उनकी तरफ से मतलब मैसेजेस बंद हैं एंड दे आर टेकिंग केयर ऑफ देयर फैमिली मोर, सो इट इज़ योर जॉब टू ओपन अप इमोशनली फॉर देम, टू ओपन अ न्यू डोर they can look up to, because I think they are also tired from this situation, but they are keeping their stand together. I think this is the guidance that if you can allow them, in your aura or in your space, you can text them that hey, I am there for you. I have some angel decks as well. Let's see whether what I am saying is true or not. Let's shuffle. So when do we think this is going to end? This is wait card, and then get more information. So I think ऐसा आ रहा है कि मे बी यू शुड वेट फॉर देम, बट अगेन आई थिंक उनकी फैमिली में कोई प्रॉब्लम है. ये कोई फाइनेंशियल इशू भी हो सकता है जो वो डील कर रहे हैं, या फिर ऐसा हो सकता है कि उनके पेरेंट्स के बीच में कोई सेपरेशन चल रहा है जिस चीज़ से वो डील कर रहे हैं, और उस वजह से उनका इन रिलेशनशिप्स वाली बातों से भरोसा उठ चुका है. सो इट कैन हैपन दैट इन द नियर फ्यूचर, yes, in the near future they will contact you. They are in the recovery phase, as I said, they are in the recovery phase and they are thinking कि उनकी फैमिली की कभी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व होगी. आई एम गेटिंग अ स्ट्रॉन्ग फीलिंग दैट देयर इज समथिंग हैपनिंग विद दैम फैमिली वाइज. आई थिंक उनकी फैमिली में किसी की तबीयत ख़राब है जिस वजह से वो बात नहीं कर रहे. येस, ये नाइट ऑफ सोर्ड्स है. अगर ये अपराइट होता तो मैं कहती मे बी दे आर गोइंग टू कम अप टू यू एंड दे आर गोइंग टू से दैट दे लाइक यू, बट आई थिंक ये रिवर्स में है. सो दैट मीन्स दैट दे आर नॉट रेडी, दे आर नॉट थिंकिंग अबाउट, they are emotionally tired, they are thinking about you 24/7, but family में इतना कुछ हो रहा है, so they are busy with them. I think if you have the guts to reach out to them, you can reach out to them, क्योंकि ये इसका कार्ड आया है as I was talking about reaching out, but ये कब ख़त्म होगा तो उसके लिए wait and no आया है. So maybe no, they are not going to text you right now, they are going to wait and see what is going to happen in their family, and they are letting things observe, because I think it is too much for them. So I hope you like this energy check-in, and if you like it, please subscribe for more and comment down below if you need more readings like this, and leave a like. Thank you.